For the past 3 years, the La Crosse Police Department has been using neighborhood resource officers who really get to know the specific areas they serve. Well, now another area department is considering adding their own. New at 6 tonight, News 8's Madeline O'Neill is live in our newsroom with the details.
Mike, the Winona Police Department is proposing adding 2 officers dedicated to community outreach policing, who would spend most of their time getting to know city residents. A sergeant I spoke with today told me he wasn't sold on the idea until he saw La Crosse's success with its neighborhood resource officers.
The biggest thing is getting into those neighborhoods, getting to know the people that are there, and then really honing in on what is affecting that community.
6 neighborhood resource officers, also called NROs, focus on one of 3 specific La Crosse neighborhoods.
Matthew Center.
Hanging out with residents and kids, but also addressing neighborhood issues.
1 hour they might be at a neighborhood association meeting, and then 2 hours later they are focusing some attention on around a particular house that's suspected of dealing drugs.
La Crosse Police Captain Jason Melby says since the NRO program began in 2014, he's gotten a lot of positive feedback.
The response has been tremendous.
So much so, he says, the department has gained a reputation for the program. And now the Winona Police Department is using La Crosse as an example, as they aim to add 2 of their own community outreach officers.
I think this change would be great.
Officer Nick Quimby of the Winona Police Department says public perspective of police in general has gone down the past few years.
But we think this program will help with building the relationships.
As part of the program, patrol officers would rotate as the 2 community outreach officers covering the entire city.
To get our boots on the ground and meet people and talk to people and make us human.
Quimby says the officers would spend time building relationships with neighborhood residents, business owners, but most importantly, kids.
If we can influence the kids young and not make them afraid of us, I mean that's huge, for years to come.
For a 2-person community outreach officer team, the Winona Police Department plans to take 1 officer off of normal patrol shifts and add an additional officer position. They would also need to purchase another squad car. Total, that would cost a bit under $150,000, and the department is currently applying for grants.
Thanks a lot, Madeline. The department presented an early proposal to the city, and they say they've received positive feedback so far. If all goes as planned, the city could have community outreach officers as early as the new year.